This is how you're supposed to bungee a load. Over, under, through, and then you just hinge it into the corners there. You see my other video, you'll know why I'm taking this video. And then you close the tailgate and it's all good to go. So these fell out of the back of my truck. Luckily somebody put them to the side. So seriously, think about it. It fell out of this truck. Big old fall. It's probably 3-4 feet, maybe more. That's gotta be more, maybe. And this is fully intact. Absolutely crazy. I can't believe it. And a nice post office guy just helped me pick this up and put it back in my rig. So God bless. Could be worse.